Hello, and welcome to Xtreme DIY, brought to you by 80/20. Today is the third in our four-part Outdoor Solutions series. Today's application is a garden cart. We designed this application so that it would be both durable and lightweight. The cart has spots for your shovels and rakes. We can also fold it up for easy storage. It's easy to clean and allows for easy transporting of seed trays, dirt, or anything else you may need for your yard work. Before we begin, we want to take a minute and clarify that this video is a general overview of the building process for this application. For a more detailed step-by-step guide, free design files, and other resources, please visit 8020.net.
Now with any project, you want to set out all of your parts and pieces and verify that you have everything. But we also want to make sure that we're using the right tools.
That's right. For this project, we're going to be using three different wrenches, a 1/4 inch and a 3/16 hex wrench, along with a 1/2 inch box end wrench.
So when it comes to building the cart, we'll start with the base and the wheels. From there, we'll move on to the uprights and the shelves. And lastly, we'll finish it off with the handle and a few finishing touches.
Now our first step in building our garden cart is going to be to assemble the rectangular base. Now before we join these profiles together, we're going to need to do some preloading. We're going to start by preloading these flat plates into the side of the bars. These will be used to hold our uprights. We're going to follow that up by preloading some T-nuts, which will be used to mount our wheels.
Now one other thing we'll want to preload are our mesh retainers. They're actually going to hold our panel into place. And for that, we picked an expanded metal that's not only durable, but will allow dirt and water to pass through for easy cleanup. So once we have all that preloaded, we'll bring our frame together and then we'll be ready for our wheels.
For our wheels, we went with these pneumatic casters. These will help when we're pulling our cart on the yard or any other uneven surface. To install these casters, we'll take the caster base plate and line it up with our preloaded T-nuts. We'll tighten those down with our bolt and washer combo, and then we'll be ready to move on to our uprights.
Now to get started on our uprights, we're going to take our two vertical bars and get them in the right orientation. Now each profile has two through holes. The one farther in on the profile, we want to make sure those are facing each other. Now to install the shelves, we're going to take our brackets, feed the bolts through the through holes, and finish it off with a T-nut. After that, we'll take our shelves and slide them into the open T-slot on our uprights, and we'll tighten them down with a wrench. From there, we'll be ready for our handle. Now that we've got our shelves into place, Phil's working on the handle. He's preloading two plates with one last bolt, and then we're going to tighten them down. After that, we're going to slide them into the open T-slot and secure them with a wrench. After that, we'll be ready to move our uprights onto our base. Now when it comes to joining our upright to our base, we're going to start with our pre-assembled pivot nub. We're going to take out the bolt and the T-nut in it. We'll put the nub into place, and we're going to install an extra long bolt. That's going to feed through the nub and through the profile. We'll cap it off on the other end with a hex nut. We'll get that all tightened down. And then we'll move on to a shorter bolt with a washer. This one's actually going to feed through the plate and into the nub. We'll take our wrench and we'll tighten that one down until it crashes into that longer bolt. This is going to leave a little bit of slack so we can fold down the uprights for storage. Now lastly, we'll take one bolt and feed it through the profile and into the plate. This is so we can put our handle on. We'll get all of that tightened down and then we'll take it outside for some finishing touches. Now our garden cart's almost done, but we're going to do one more thing and we're going to add some end caps. We're simply going to line it up over the end of the profile, take a bolt, we'll go ahead and hand tighten that down, and then we'll finish it off with a wrench. Now once we have all that tightened down, we're ready to put our garden cart to use.
That completes this Outdoor Solutions series. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, or if you want to order or start designing your own garden cart, please visit 8020.net where you can download the project plan, bill of materials, and much more for this project.
Now we hope you've enjoyed this segment of 80/20's Xtreme DIY, and we look forward to seeing you again next time. And as always, make it a great day.